Hi friends, this is lesson 6 of the Middle Ages unit. Today we are going to review the past couple chapters we've read. So we have some review questions about manors and towns during the Middle Ages. So number 1 asks, why would there have been walls around the town and gates through which everyone must pass? Number 2, which would not be seen or heard in a medieval town? Think about what the towns looked like, what was going on there. Number 3 is true or false. Towns resulted in more jobs being available. More people moved from the countryside. Number 4, who had more money and power? Number 5 is true or false. There is no connection between trade and the middle class. Number 6, there were many types of craftsmen in the Middle Ages. True or false? Number 7, what do pickpockets do? Look at the word, pickpockets. Number 8, the town charter gave more power to the lords and less to the middle class. True or false? Number 9 is true or false. Churches helped set up universities. Number 10, what animal spreads the Black Plague? Number 11, which is not a reason fires spread quickly in villages in the Middle Ages. So what is not a reason that fires were very quickly spread? Number 12, the gates and walls around towns kept people in and out of the town. True or false? Number 13 asks, what is an apprentice? Number 14 gives you a quote from the text. It is unlikely that you will return home again during your apprenticeship. According to the sentence above, what does unlikely mean? Number 15, what is the difference between an apprentice and a journeyman? Number 16, when a woman is widowed and has no sons, she is able to manage the land herself. True or false? So she's widowed, that means her husband has passed away and she has no sons. Number 17, according to the image and caption, is the woman pictured below privileged? It says Empress Matilda, daughter of Henry I of England. Yes or no, is she privileged? All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please remember that you can use the read alouds for chapters 1 and 2 if you are confused or stuck. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, Adams.